Finally, we got a breakout on our Ganex 1200. We finally got a breakout from this channel on Ganex 1200. We've been waiting for this to happen for a while. This has been immediately this actually got to this resistance zone. It has been moving in between this channel up and down. Okay, we knew that there will be a breakout at a time, but we want to be sure where the breakout will be coming from, because if it should break out from above, that means it's going to continue with the uptrend. But if it breaks out from the lower part of the channel, then it will switch the direction of the trend into a downtrend at that particular point. And remember that this trend actually started from this support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I want you to sit tight and watch this video to the end so that we will have a better understanding of this strategy before we start using it. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to my channel called Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and check the and also share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So just like you guys have known, I love using the trend trading strategy, and I love coming in at the beginning of the trend. And of course, that is why this indicator has been so useful to me. Okay, because it helps me to see a clear movement of what is happening within the market. So when this was on downtrend, you can see it's on this, this red color. Okay, so it has been going down right from here. We milked it right from here till this very moment. Okay, when it got to this support zone, it has been playing around this support zone. So that means that it's finding difficult to break out below this support zone, and it has been taking its time before it will switch into an uptrend. Okay, so this time around, finally, it switched into an uptrend at this point, and of course gave us the uptrend signal, and of course also gave us a buy signal. So this is why this indicator is very useful. Without the indicator, so many of us will have jumped into the trade around here, somewhere here, but look at it, it will have been going up and down before giving us a clear signal at this point, before giving us a clear movement at this point. Okay, so if it's not going to go our own way, then definitely it will have gone the other way around and will have entered around here, which will have been a wrong entry. But with the indicator, we are able to wait for the right time, for the right signal before we jump into the trade. Okay, so it gave us an uptrend signal at this point, and of course it also gave us a trading signal at this point. So we jumped in around there, but immediately it got to this resistance zone. If you should notice, it started moving in between the channel. Immediately it got to this resistance, it came down, went back up, came down again, went back up to the upper part of the channel, and of course guys, it came down again, went back up, and came down a bit, but this time around went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so once there is a breakout, then there will be constant movement in the direction of the breakout, and that is what is happening, and that is why our uptrend signal is still going very well. Okay, so this is buying right now, and this is so beautiful and so unique. So for those of you who are still in this trade, congratulations to you all, because this should be giving you huge profits right now. So this is how trend trading strategy really works. You only need to focus your attention on the trend. Okay, so once you are able to get the trend right, just follow the signal that supports the trend. If the trend is on uptrend, the only signal you should be looking out for is a buy signal. If the trend is on downtrend, the only signal you should be looking for should be a sell signal, and of course that is what you need to be successful right here. Okay, and of course, guys, let's check out other assets. Here is another asset that actually gave us something meaningful. This actually gave us a sell signal at this point, and it's so till this very moment. Okay, because the downtrend signal was given first, and of course, gave us a sell signal, and it's so till it got to this region. After getting here, okay, it played around there for a while, but wasn't able to break out below the support zone because it was respected here also. And of course, it switched back into an uptrend and gave us a buy signal. Check it out, guys. This is huge, guys. This is huge. So, and it is still buying, guys. It is still buying. This has actually given 69 candles. You can imagine having 69 candles on 15-minute time frame. That's so huge, and that would have given a lot of profit even with the smallest trading lot size. Okay, so this is very, very important. So there is another asset called SFX volume 80. Okay, still on 15-minute time frame. Let me quickly show you this just for you to see the power of trend trading strategy. I remember very well when we started milking these assets right from here on downtrend. And of course, this actually gave us a lot of profit till it got to this particular support zone. Right from the support zone, it switched into an uptrend and gave us a buy signal. Okay, so that is what you only need. And of course, check it out. This also gave us profit till this very end, okay? And of course, it switched back into a downtrend, and you can see it selling right from there. So it sold on downtrend till it got to this particular spot, okay? Till it got to this particular spot, and that is another huge profit for us, okay? So after getting there, it was unable to break out from there, and of course, you should also understand that that is giving us double bottom. You can see it here and also around here, okay? So that is like getting double bottoms there, which is according to which is normal according to the general knowledge of forex trading. Okay, it is a proper signal for an uptrend. Okay, and of course, it is also forming a kind of W vibes, but a big one, which is also normal, and of course, it is a big signal for an uptrend also. Okay, so all we need to do is the uptrend signal. We got the uptrend signal around there and got a buy signal. And check it out. Check out the trading results, guys. Check out the trading results. So this is so amazing, guys. So you can see you can easily achieve this once you understand how this strategy works. And of course, you know how to set up your trade. You know things that you need to look out for before you pick up your trade. Okay, so all these are very, very important. And with this, you will not have any reason to allow prayer or probably your feelings to influence your trading activities. So once you say this and you use a reasonable um risk management system, then definitely you are good to go. It will achieve all your TPs if it goes your way. If it does not, it will take you out of the market using the stop loss. It is as easy as that. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. Okay. And of course, if you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.